guys, today we're gonna do a look that looks like my shirt. So to start off with, I'm gonna do my transition, and today my transition is gonna be that yellow over there. I'm gonna start off with that, and then we take it from there. Okay. So I'm putting the transition exactly where I need it, just to save time. I'm not gonna go down under the eyes. We don't really have that much time. Usually this transition does not show in the camera, but it should do. You can see the yellow. It's all over my nose. Wow, it's really good. I put it over there. I didn't go all over my eyes because we don't have the time, so we're still saving time. We're gonna go next to where are you? I'm gonna use that color, that green over there. I don't know if it looks like my shirt. Yes, that's the color that looks like my shirt. I'm looking forward to using that color. So yeah, here we go. Shouldn't take long today. I already put it where I don't want it, but it's alright. Okay, so yeah, we put the green. I'm gonna go back with the same brush that I used to put the yellow, and I'm gonna get into that yellow and using the karate and just go over the edges like I always do, just to blend out those orange, the yellows, and just make sure they're showing like they should do. And the edges are really smooth. My brush is going to end up with a lot of grain that I won't be able to use it for yellow at all. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think today. Yeah. Yeah, I always want my hard work for the eyebrow to be precise. I'm gonna go in with that blue in the creases. It happens to be darker than the green that I'm wearing, so let's try that. It's not matte, but it is dark like I want it. Yeah, there we go. So we're dragging the edges to make a shape corner. Our blue is just a bit shimmery, which is a beautiful thing, but usually the colors that I use at the edges out of the lid area tend to be matte, but today it's not, and that's okay. Alright guys, I'm going to use NYX Professional Makeup. It's called Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm going to use the color. I'm going to use that yellow. It's a yellow that looks like it's mixed up with orange. So I'm going to try that and see how it goes. Then we can take it from there, depending on what it gives me. Because much as my transition has been yellow, this is a different yellow. So we would like to just see what happens. We're doing too many yellows. Is it a mess? This eyeliner is made by a company called Makeup Gallery, Chic Flake Eyeliner. Alright guys, now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. I'm gonna put mascara. And the mascara I'm gonna use is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious with Oil Blend. This is a very nice one. It's black with the pink stripe. I'm gonna put on a lipstick, and this lipstick is from a company called Makeup Gallery. It's called Pout Matters. I can't pronounce it. It's a matte lip color, and the lipstick is in the color Fuchsia Fizz 8. It's a £1 lipstick. It smells very good. I'm gonna go in with a sleek makeup lipstick because I think I might need some of that.